Hi everyone, hopefully you have watched our introduction to TIG welding. If you haven't, I highly recommend that you watch that video before you watch this one. It gives you a general sort of basic overview of the machine and settings and how to set the machine up and things like that. What I'm going to do in this video is give you a demonstration on how I would complete a T-fillet weld, and the material I'm using is low carbon steel, 5mm thick, 40mm wide and 150mm long. I have a 2.4 seriated tungsten stuck out round about sort of 6mm, and I've got a size 8 ceramic, and we're going to be using PZ 6500 filler wire. What I'm going to do first is tack the plates up. So we'll look that the plates are tacked in the centre and at 90 degrees. If they're not quite at 90, once I've tacked them, we can always knock them into position. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a tack on either end on the back side of where I'm going to be welding. This time I'm going to use no magnet, as it has an effect on the high frequency arc. Okay, so I'm fairly happy in the centre, and now I will move on and complete the weld. Okay, what I was looking for on the completed weld is that we have nice even leg lengths, and with it being 5mm material, ideally I'd want 5mm leg lengths as well. You may have noticed as well the technique I was using. I was rocking my ceramic. Some people walk in the cup, which just means that the ceramic touches both sides of the material and you rock it up and down as you move forward. Some people prefer this technique, some people prefer just to go straight or sort of move up and down. It all depends on what sort of weld you are looking to get.